You position yourself early. One, you understand that when the Fed prints, the money has to go everywhere. So it has to allocate itself in different crevices. It's literally liquidity. You throw water into a place that has rocks, the water will fill those gaps. So it filled it in crypto. It filled it in the ETF market. It filled it in stock markets. It filled it in Forex. It filled it in real estate. The money went everywhere. You just had to pick whatever vehicle you wanted to get in, and I just happened to pick one of the vehicles that had the craziest multiples. But there was plenty of things that went absolutely bananas. If somebody pulls up the chart of tomatoes, they went through the fucking roof. Or eggs, they went through the fucking roof. You could have invested in eggs. Egg sellers got fucking rich. But you just had to find your vehicle. The people that got rich were the ones that positioned themselves. And to answer your question, when did I get out? When one of the founders of FaZe Clan called me and said, hey, should I buy SafeMoon? And then I was like, bro, this shit's like, these guys don't know anything about crypto. Like, I know that they don't know anything about crypto. And I know that once they buy, they're going to get excited and push it to their community. Who else is left to buy after Justin Bieber? You know what I mean? When Justin Bieber buys $1 million ape, who else is going to buy it?
Yeah, you've reached the top of the market.
You've reached the end of the line. So at some point, you just have to say, is this enough for me to live? Am I good? Am I willing to leave the casino?